Hello students, today I am going to teach English language to students of Standard 7 and I am going to do the third chapter, pronouns. Children, take out page number 27 of your English language book. What is a pronoun? You have studied in the previous class that a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Means it's a word which comes in place of noun. For example, he, himself, them, mine, etc. They are all examples of pronoun. Now we'll study about the kinds of pronoun. In this chapter, we'll study about 9 kinds of pronoun. And the first one is personal pronoun. It is used in place of names of people and things. Like I, we, you, he, she, it. They are all personal pronoun because they stand for 3 persons. Now come to page number 27. This table lists the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to 3 persons. The first person is the speaker, means one who is saying. He is the first person. The second person is the person to whom he is speaking to. And the third person is the person about whom we are speaking. That is the third person. Now, it is divided into subject pronoun and object pronoun. When the personal pronoun is the doer of the action or it is the subject of the sentence, then it is called subject pronoun. But when the personal pronoun receives the action done by the subject, then it is called the object pronoun. Means when it is acting like an object, it's the object pronoun. For example, they liked her very much. Here they is the subject pronoun and her is the object pronoun. She gave the book to him. She is the subject of the sentence and hence here it is the subject pronoun. And gave the book to him. Him is the object and here it's like the object pronoun. So I, we, me, us, you, he, she, it, they, him, her, it, them, they all are personal pronoun. Now coming to number 2, possessive pronoun. It shows ownership or possession, means it belongs to whom. For example, this car is his and that one is mine. Here his and mine, they are possessive pronoun because they are showing the ownership that this car is his and that car is mine. Coming to the third number, reflexive pronoun. It is used when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence. Means I am referring back to the subject of the sentence. Then that type of pronoun is called reflexive pronoun. For example, he hurt himself due to his carelessness. Here himself is the reflexive pronoun because it is referring back to the subject only. Whom did he hurt? He hurt himself. You are looking at yourself in the mirror. Here yourself is reflexive pronoun because whom are you looking at? You are looking at yourself. It is again referring back to the subject. So it's a reflexive pronoun. Coming to the fourth number, interrogative pronoun, which is used to ask questions. Examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, which, whom, etc. The next one is emphatic pronoun. It is used to emphasize the action of the subject. Means when we are laying stress on something, emphasizing on something, then that is called emphatic pronoun. For example, she herself admitted her mistake. Here herself is emphatic pronoun because nobody else admitted, but she herself admitted. Here I am emphasizing the action of the subject. She is the subject over here. I myself cleaned the big house. Again, myself is emphatic pronoun because again it means that nobody else cleaned the big house, but I have cleaned it myself. I am emphasizing on it. So here myself is emphatic pronoun. Now coming to the sixth one, relative pronoun. It refers to the nouns mentioned earlier. Means if I have mentioned some nouns earlier, it is referring back to those nouns. Then those pronouns are called relative pronoun. Example, who, whose, which, whom, etc. The book which you gave me is lost. The horse who was in the stable died. So which and who are relative pronoun because I am referring to the book which you gave me, and here I am referring to the horse who was in the stable and who has died. Seventh one is demonstrative pronoun. It is used to point to specific people or things. Means when you are pointing at some specific people or things, then that type of pronoun are called demonstrative pronoun. Like this, that, these, those. The eighth one is distributive pronoun. When we talk about the individual members of a group or a pair, then that is called distributive pronoun. Means we are talking about them separately. Example, each of the pastries has a unique flavor. Means I am talking about all the separate pastries and they have got a unique flavor. Neither of the two answers is correct. Here neither is distributive pronoun. Means out of the two answers, not even one is correct. Next, coming to the ninth number, indefinite pronoun. They talk about people or things in general and not anything specific. For example, someone, nobody, everything. Here I am not talking about that particular person or thing. I am talking about in general. So these pronouns are indefinite pronoun. So I hope children you must have understood about pronouns and the different kinds of pronoun. And now the exercises given in the chapter, you will do it as homework and I'll discuss the answers in the next video. Thank you.